Hi and welcome to getPHP. Today I'm going to show you how to use the newly released Windows version of getPHP. Let's get into it. So I'm on a Windows machine here and I opened up getphp.org. All you have to do is copy the command for Windows 11. Okay, it's copied to the clipboard. Now you have to paste this command into PowerShell. It's important that you open PowerShell as an admin. So right-click on the Start menu and open Terminal Admin. Yes. And we are in PowerShell. Now we simply paste the command we copied and hit Enter. And getPHP runs instantly. It's checking for available versions of your PHP stack. Nothing is installed right now. So if I go back to Edge and open up localhost phpMyAdmin, it's not gonna work. If I open up phpinfo.php, it's not gonna work either. Okay, so there's no PHP installed on this computer, and no phpMyAdmin, no web server, no MySQL, nothing. Okay, so we are in PowerShell. As you can see, we have nothing installed here, no services running, and we have these commands available. Well, all we can do right now is install the thing, so I just hit I and then enter. And the getPHP script runs and installs everything for you. Apache, MySQL, PHP, phpMyAdmin. It's going to register the HTTPD service, the MySQLD service, and start them. It's going to configure everything for you. All you have to do is wait a few minutes and until it does its job. Okay. Installation is complete, and we can instantly see the installed versions of Apache, MySQL, PHP, and phpMyAdmin, and we can see that it already started the Apache and MySQL services. Here's a little information block, and this shows you where to put your website files. It created a getPHP directory, and inside there is a www directory, and you should put all your files in there, and it will be discoverable at localhost. Okay, how to test your PHP setup? You just have to open up phpinfo.php, and here is how to log in to phpMyAdmin, and what is the username, and the password is blank. Okay, so let's see if it works. Let's go back to Microsoft Edge and hit refresh here. PHP info, and it says PHP version 8.5.7. So this is the latest version. It works, and it also loaded a bunch of the most common PHP modules as well. What about phpMyAdmin? Let's check that out. Localhost /phpMyAdmin. The username is root. Password is empty. Let's log in. And it works. So it was really that easy to install everything. Let's go back a little bit to the getPHP script and see what commands we have available. So we can reinstall or repair the PHP stack in case something goes wrong. For that, you just have to type I or type install and then enter, we can update the packages to the latest versions. So in order to do that, you just type U and then hit enter, and it's going to check for all the latest versions and it installs them if they are available. Right now, everything is at the latest version, so it didn't install anything. What's the next command? Restart. We can restart the PHP stack services. So if we type R and then hit enter, it will restart the Apache and MySQL services. Let's do that. Sometimes you have to restart these services if you make some changes to the configuration files or if something goes wrong. All right, the next command is the stop command, and this one stops all the services. So these two services will be stopped. I just type S. You could also type in the full command, stop, and then hit enter, and it stops the Apache and MySQL services. And when the script loads again, you will see that these services are stopped now. Let's restart them so that everything works correctly. See, it's very easy to manage your stack this way. And after stop, we have the delete command. If we use this, I'm just going to type D. It's going to show the delete information, and it tells you exactly what will be deleted. So Apache, MySQL, PHP, and phpMyAdmin, all the services, config files, and the logs as well. What will not be deleted is your website files and your MySQL databases. So let's take a look at the getPHP folder. If I open up File Explorer and go to C, here is our getPHP folder. Inside, you can see the folders for Apache, MySQL, PHP, and phpMyAdmin. There is also a logs folder, and inside here, you can find the access log and the error log. It's good for debugging and seeing exactly what's going on. And this is your www folder, and everything you put inside here, you can reach at localhost. Okay, so php info.php is here, and thus we can call it from here. Okay, so if you install any kind of framework or WordPress or any PHP project, you just put it into the www folder and it will work out of the box. Okay, let's go back to PowerShell. No, we don't want to delete the stack right now, but if I hit delete, if I say yes, then pretty much everything will be deleted, but your www folder will be preserved. So don't worry, all your website files will remain there, okay? They won't be deleted. And your MySQL databases will be kept as well. So you're not going to lose any data. All right, so let's just say no. Nothing was deleted and the script restarts. See, it's very easy to use, very simple. That was my goal with the entire getPHP script, to be very straightforward, very easy to use, and it just works out of the box. Okay, if I type Q, I'm gonna just quit the application goodbye, and it's done. All right, so I hope you liked this little video. And if you have any questions, please go to getphp.org, visit the support page, and you can here write to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you, and goodbye.